Welcome back to Shaving Down Under. We've got another unboxing to do. This is a razor I bought in Australia on eBay. Let's have a look at what we've got here. Pick up some of that rubbish. Some frozen yogurt ice creams. This will be well, pretty well packaged. Now we get to the money shot. Lovely. This is a razor. I'm not really sure how old it is. It's not something that was ever really on my radar, but I saw it and I thought, why not? So it's a Wilkinson sword razor, made in England. Bit sticky on the bottom there for whatever reason. Here it is. Comes with booklet. See anything underneath that? Doesn't feel like it. So here she is. So opens up long ways. I don't know if this is NOS or it's been used. I don't know, this could be NOS. Pretty smooth functioning. Doors open evenly. Oh, very interesting. Let's see if I'll give it a quick polish on my pants. Nice. Well, very interesting to shave with it. Do you have one? If you're watching, do you have one of these? Have you shaved with it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll put it back in there. And if you know what era this was made, actually, is any dates on here? Wilkinson Sword Limited, Sword House, Great West Road, Brentford, Middlesex. Absolutely no mention of year. Okay, people, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please leave a like, and that would be appreciated. Thank you very much. And yeah, subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll get notified when I do go to shave with this razor. Okay, ciao for now.